Hello, everybody. How y'all guys doing? Welcome. Today we have some really exciting news, and I am going to do an unboxing of something I've been waiting for a very long time. I've already opened up the box and disinfected everything, especially with everything going on at this time. It's important that you disinfect everything that comes into your home. And I couldn't wait to share this with you guys. Look what we have here. Yes, we have finally got our red iguana practice hand. Look at this packaging. It is nice. I like it. This packaging is really nice. I'm super excited. So let's go ahead and get this box open. And we have our nice thank you card. It has a discount code for 5% off their next purchase. And here are the instructions to care for the hand and best recommendations. So we have a ring, and I'm going to show you which hand I actually ordered. Ta-da! Look at what we have here, guys. I like the little cute bag that they have it in. This is so pretty. They really take care when packaging these orders. Oh my gosh. This looks so realistic. I've done my research. I knew, how it was going to look, but look at it. Like, the people in my house is so funny. They are so scared of this hand. Let me see. I'm trying to see what finger I want to put this ring on. Um, I already given her a name. I'm going in between Nicole and Nashay, but I'm gonna put a poll in the video, and you guys vote. Should her name be Nicole or should it be Nashay? But look at this. I had to zoom in so you can guys see how realistic this hands look. He has deep pockets on the cuticle area, which will be good for adding in the full cover tips. I chose not to get the primer and the glue because I didn't want to have to soak off the nails. I typically use acrylic, polygel, and gel, and I didn't want to have to soak them off all the time. So I'm just going to do the full cover in the nail beds because it's going to be a little bit easier to remove and move on to the next set. So I'm going to find some full cover nails to test. And I ordered these full cover stilettos from BU. I did include this in another video, in one of my unboxing video. So go check that out if you haven't. The sizes to the nail beds is included on the website. I haven't looked it up, but I'm going to look it up. I'm just testing out this nail here. And this goes in pretty deep. And it's not a real big tip. So this will be excellent because I don't want to mess up the nail bed at all. I want to keep this hand looking great. So let me see. I'm going to find another tip to see I ordered, if I'm saying her name right, Analuisa. This is like the second darkest color that they offer. There is a darker color. But yeah, this nail bed is deep enough for this nail tip. And I got the posable hand so I can pose it on my pictures. But I'm not liking where I put this ring at. I think I'm going to move this over to another finger as soon as I decide, which one it's going to sit in. But I have some extra jewelry that I ordered from my sister who sells paparazzi. So you guys will be seeing that soon. So, but don't forget though, vote and see what name we should call her, either Nishay or Nicole. So that's going to be included. But look how realistic this hand looks. This would freak out my oldest living sister. I know she would be so freaked out if she saw this hand. I can't wait. I can't wait to show her this in person. But be sure to look at the care instructions for the hands. You don't want to waste your investment, but I'm loving this hand. I can pose it for all of my photos. I like it. I'm excited to put some new nails on it. I know some people may have seen the unboxing review that I did for Model 1s, and you may have saw this hand in the picture. I did do it kind of out of order, which my daughter pointed out, but who cares, right? I was going to order a kit to do my own practice hand, but I decided against it because I'm a beginner and I didn't want all the bubbles, and I wanted it to come out really nicely. But there are a lot of videos out there on how to make your own practice hand. If you are freaked out about using somebody else's hand, I suggested you do your research and you do your own hand. Honestly, I just decided to do it the easy way and order my practice hand instead, and kind of just left it at that. Everything will be linked in the description box below. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Turn on post notifications so that you don't miss every time I upload a video. And if you have not and you do want to follow my nail journey, follow me at Nailed by Faith on Instagram and TikTok. Bye for now. And as always, stay safe, stay healthy, and be blessed.